Welcome, ethical innovators and principled pioneers. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of your entrepreneurial journey, pitch deck ethics, staying true to your vision. Crafting your pitch deck is an opportunity not only to showcase your startup's potential, but also to set a standard for integrity and authenticity in your business practices. Let's navigate the path to creating a pitch deck that resonates with your core values while appealing to potential investors. First and foremost, prioritize authenticity. Your pitch deck should be a mirror reflecting your startup's true mission, goals, and capability. Embellishing the truth may grab attention in the short term, but genuine representation builds lasting trust and credibility. Embrace transparency about the challenges and risks. Acknowledging the hurdles your startup may face not only demonstrates honesty, but also shows you're prepared with strategies to navigate potential obstacles. This openness can significantly bolster investor confidence. When highlighting your unique value proposition, focus on your innovations and strengths without disparaging your competitors. Ethical competition means winning on your merits, not on others' perceived shortcomings. Ensure that every data point, statistic, and projection in your pitch deck is accurate and verifiable. Misrepresentation, intentional or not, can damage your reputation and hinder long-term relationships with investors and partners. Respect for intellectual property and confidentiality is paramount. If your pitch includes collaborative work or third-party insights, ensure you have the appropriate permissions and give credit where it's due. Similarly, protect sensitive information to maintain trust and professionalism. Lastly, your pitch deck should reflect a commitment to diversity and inclusivity, showcasing a vision that embraces and serves a broad spectrum of people not only enhances your startup's appeal, but also aligns with ethical business practices. Remember, your pitch deck is more than a fundraising tool. It's a testament to your startup's values and ethical stance. By staying true to your vision and upholding these ethical standards, you create a foundation of trust that extends far beyond the investor meeting room. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you ensure your pitch deck reflects your ethical standards and vision? What challenges have you faced in maintaining integrity in your pitch, and how have you overcome them? Share your experiences, and let's inspire one another towards ethical excellence in our entrepreneurial endeavors.